Hello everyone, welcome to emailclick.com. Today I will be showing you how to import an outside email list to your list section of EmailClick, okay? So what we're gonna do is we're gonna go to our menu here and we're gonna click on My Lists, and then we're gonna click on Create a New List, okay? So we're gonna name that list, and I'm gonna choose Marketers here. Okay, and then I'm going to assign this. As you know, in EmailClick, you can assign as many users as you'd like. So I'm going to assign this to my login, and then I'm going to update the list. Now what I want to do is come to the import section here, and I'm going to import the contacts. Just remember that this has to be in a CSV format. So we're going to go to Upload. We're going to go to our desktop, Social Media Marketers. And now what we're going to do is, because we only have two columns inside the list, we're going to make the first column the email and the second column the name. And as you'll see, they automatically populate. All these other columns will remain with skip this column selected, okay? So now once we have the proper identifiers from the header, we're going to start the import. This may take a few minutes, so just be patient. Okay, now you see our list is imported. Now, when you import a list and it doesn't give you exactly how many contacts that it had in the list, that means EmailClick has identified some emails inside the list that may not be verified. Okay, we have 3,054 inside this list. Our list is uploaded incomplete. Thanks for watching.